This right here is what you call success. Finger on the trigger. But don't you dare pull that daggone trigger till you are ready to grind that sucker loose.
So sexy, so smooth and silky.
What is going on, HAMM fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it's time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is dun 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 Rollpan install. So we're about to get it started with the Rollpan install. First and foremost, we're going to be taking off our Gen Y hitch, license plate, and then it's basically just some unbolting, you know. So we're going to bolt the trailer hitch because we also have the hidden hitch, ladies and gentlemen. That is right. So that means we will have a hitch behind the Rollpan, snugged up underneath the bumper, and it's going to be nice and sleek and clean, but we'll still be able to utilize towing things. So that is awesome. I had to wait a couple extra weeks for that. So yeah, we're about to install that, and then hopefully this evening, after I get this done, we got to run to Orangeburg real quick with my father, or with my dad, and then after we get back, I can hopefully weld this together and then start the bodywork process, and then we should be wrapping very soon, boys and girls. But after that, it's just the tailgate. I could probably do that tonight as well, because I just have to rip the handle off and then flip to the back, so it's really not that long of a process for that. But yeah, let's get to it. So we're going to be taking off the hitch and then the bumper. Alright, so there's going to be 3 bolts for the tow hitch. 2 are connected to the bumper, and 2 are connected on the frame rail right here. So we're going to take the bolt out first. And then the last 2 bolts are going to be connected right here onto the bumper. Boom, just like that. We're trailer hitchless. Alright, now to disassemble the bumper. Alright, you see this bracket right here. It is on the left side and then the right side of the bumper. I already took those sides off, so there's going to be 2 nuts right here, and there's going to be a bracket that comes to the back right here, and then you're going to take that off, as well as that last one, nut right there on the inside. Alright, and that is it, boys and girls. We're about to install the hitch and then the Rollpan. Installation should be pretty simple. We're just gonna do some chest press real quick before we put it on. Alright, got a nice pump, and yep, get some hip thrusts going. Get a bug in her mouth, and then we're gonna install this puppy. So 6 bolts, 6 nuts, 6 washers is what it comes with, and that is basically enough to have the stock locations. Alright, hold on, we have like 12 washers. Hold on, double washer, 1 on bottom, 1 on top. We're about to plug and play, cue the time lapse. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. Check it out. We got an LED light. Everybody loves it. And then we got a bumper. We got a Rollpan. Yeah, so sexy, so smooth and silky. Silky smooth. Oh look, we got the zip bolts. Do a little test here, shall we? Come on back. Alright, I took the tailgate off just so it could be a little bit more easy. And now I am going to use a paint marker, and I'm gonna hold this roll pan, match it up to the body lines, the bed lines. Since this one is broken, we have to weld that tonight. I'm just gonna do the best I can. I'm probably just gonna take it off, but I need to have it while I drive over there anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that, and then we'll weld that later on. All right, once you got your pilot holes marked, you're gonna get a drill bit and drill, and then you can proceed to use the screws that came with the kit. And once you got your pilot holes drilled, then it's time to install the roll pan. What is going on, everybody? We are back here at Travis's crib. that joker, boy, that joker sleep right there under that cooler head now. What can you say about that besides badass? Hey. Alright, he even got his own
safety glasses.
Yeah, for sure that. Alright, now, true that. We about to start welding this thing. We got to grind down the sides. And we done got some new hinges and all that for the tailgate. We also about to pop the tailgate handle off so we can start welding that as well. That'll take 2 seconds. Don't you worry. Alright, so we're about to start grinding this down. We're going to install the roll pan, and then you grind down the other side of the roll pan, obviously, and then we'll lay some beads on there, and I'll get with you as soon as we start doing that. Alright, first step is shaving the tailgate. We're going to take off this handle right here, or that bezel, and then you're going to come in here and you're going to flip these tabs. Do it one hand.
First step to grinding is you got to
pop that out, and you pop this out.
What you want to do here? Put on your safety glasses. Then you gonna want to take grinding right here. Okay, you gonna hold like this. Okay, you wanna hold like this right here. All right, finger on the trigger, but don't you dare pull that daggone trigger till you are ready to grind that sucker loose. This is only for badasses. Okay?
Certified. All right, next you're gonna grab your 13 mil. You're gonna take off that handle. Keep this mechanism. Alright, and after you take out your handle and everything like that, you're gonna sand down this outer side right here. And then you're gonna grab your plate. Make sure you sand down the edges of that as well, so you get a nice bond. And then we're about to weld that on there.
Yeah, I'll put a hole in the bitch anyway.
Alright, now you're gonna weld up your handle plate. And then after we get this welded up and let it cool off, we're gonna start welding the roll pan.
But you gotta do it good, 'cause if you don't do it good, it's not gonna hold off.
That's common sense though. And then we're gonna drill in that whole new handle relocate kit right there on the back side after this cools down and whatnot. So I'll pick you right back up as soon as this is all. Alright, after the best welder south of the Mason Dixon line, weld that thing up, boy. Tell them what you put. Tell them what kind of bead you put on this thing.
All right, see what we did right here is we put a damn a snake rattle bead on here. So you got to rattle, and then
snake.
Now it's gonna be a shitty weld, okay? It's not gonna be that good.
This is thin metal, so there ain't much you can do with it.
That right there.
Besides, grind it. All right, so before you start cutting into your tailgate, my tailgate is like shit, y'all. It's actually terrible. It has Bondo in places that I didn't expect it to have. And yeah, so hopefully you have a better canvas to work on than me. But this kit comes with the relocator bracket right here, as you see. And it also comes with these screws. So we're gonna cut out a hole about the size of the inner diameter of this, not the outside diameter. And then you're just gonna reuse your 13 mil bolts and pop your handle back in place. And as soon as I do that, then we'll cut the hole in right there. Alright, so once you have your relocator bracket on, what I did, or what you have to do, is see these tabs that you took the linkage cable off of? This is facing this way normally. So all you have to do is push that little piece in, flip it upside down to where it's on the bottom now. And last step is to drill in these 4 holes with the screws that it comes with. And we should be done. These come with self-tapping screws. If anybody has a question on where these can be located, I'll have them linked down in the bio. But we're about to actually weld this roll pan as soon as we install the tailgate, and then we'll have a completely shaved rear end, and I'll probably do the body work tomorrow morning, so that way everything is nice and done. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and then we're gonna weld that, and I'll show you the end results. Right. Now we're welding the roll pan. Got a decent little gap on the right side. That right side.
Make sure you tell them there's a gap. That's why I'm taking so much time making the peep peep peep. You know what I'm saying?
You heard it here first, folks. Drunk.
I'm just too drunk.
Nice. Look at that gap. Ain't nothing to T-Dilly though.
Boy, shit, now I tell you.
Alright, so what you want to do for your license plate light?
What you gonna want to do is you want to stick your whole head in this fucking exhaust pipe right here. Woo!
So it comes with this
hot as shit.
LED light, and then you're gonna snip off one of your ends for your plug-in, and then all you're gonna do is just tuck it all in there, and then you're gonna screw it in. So I'm screw it in.
Blank it over me.
Alrighty, there she is.
Come on, man.
He's buttoning up the last little bit, and I'll put the tailgate on, and I'm gonna show you exactly how a shaved end looks like on
I'm welding up a
Duramax.
bad girl. Is what you call success.
Alright, everybody, we got it all wrapped up. Huge shout out, Travis. That's my uncle, boy.
2 burn marks.
But we got this wrapped up. We're gonna be hitting it with some fiberglass and Bondo, as well as getting the 1500 style tailgate cap, because the top of the tailgate is like really dented. But we still have to fiberglass and Bondo all of this. That's why I grinded that down to bare metal. And then the right side has the worst gap, because like y'all saw before, the rear bedside quarter panel or this quarter piece right here is somehow messed up. But other than that, everything is shaved now. We just have to, like I said, do a few more body finishing touches, and then she should be getting ready for the wrap really soon. I know you guys are gonna really like it, and yeah,
and
huge
ladies,
shout out, Travis.
Just in case y'all are wondering, yes, I am single.
He is single, boys and girls. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned some, and I'll see you on the next episode.
Deuces.